Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at the standard plan for IQIYI. Now we have the 12 months plan, which is cost $48.99. That is actually a promo that ends on November 21st. We have the monthly subscription of $6.99. We have the yearly subscription of $69.99. Now if you choose this promo, look at the things you're going to enjoy from the promo. So it ends on the November 21st. You can see it's all the things you're going to enjoy. Get your payment method to credit card, debit card, Alipay, or PayPal. You can choose any of these three. Now, if you have previously used a card, you can set up a credit or debit card right here, fill in the card number, the CVV, and the expiration date. Here's for the coupon. Don't forget to agree to VIP service here by clicking on this, ticking this box. Then for the this is the total price you pay if you are using the promo. Then you can just click on join VIP. So you have the VIP standard and the VIP premium. Now, when you look at the coupon, you can redeem your coupon by clicking here, redeem coupon. You can also log in to see more offers for your coupon. And let's go back up and see. Don't forget what I said. These are the payment methods. These are the daily subscription. And now let's just click here. You redeem your coupon. You click here. You can redeem your voucher code. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.